Namaste, this is Bharat Paudel, founder and MD of Clean Energy International Private Limited. Our organization has been involved in environment-friendly, affordable and self-sustainable electric mobility. Our main objectives is to provide clean and green electric mobility in different parts of Nepal. We started our journey with local assembly of electric scooter. Then we expanded our journey by manufacturing electric three-wheelers, also known as the electric rickshaw, locally. Till date, Clean Energy has assembled and sold over more than 500 electric scooters and 1500 units of electric rickshaw. We have been developing electric three-wheelers public vehicles for the last 5 years. These vehicles have been developed with different drives units ranging from 800 watts to 3 kilowatts. The vehicle have been developed with the lead-acid batteries and the metal body structure, but with technical assistance from the Abhiyantriki Karmasala proposed vehicles. This project will design, develop and deploy improved Safa Tempo that will be sustainable for different purposes and will support entrepreneurs in modifying their Safa Tempos so as to improve performance and sustainability. The project will have three major components. First, design and develop three improved Safa Tempo to demonstrate diversified application of Safa Tempo. Second, trial application of the improved Safa Tempos by the partners companies. And third, establish a rotating fund to scale up application of these models and support Safa Tempos entrepreneurs. The main objectives of this project is to demonstrate modification of existing Safa Tempo for the different proposed impacts. In recent months, the Safa Tempo owners and drivers, about half of whom are women, are facing severe financial difficulties and uncertain future due to the unexpected lockdown caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to long run of the lockdown, they have not been able to operate properly because physical distance is very difficult in these vehicles, and also introducing alternative application of the Safa Tempo such as the tourist vehicle used as delivery vehicles and garbage collection vehicles so that Safa Tempo owners and drivers can continue to operate their improved electric three-wheelers and sustainable themselves. This project will replace the gasoline powered cargo and municipal as well as tourist sightseeing vehicles.